Today we're going to rebuild this thermostat housing with a new thermostat. Here's the part number for this 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, so I just made a video for removing this thermostat. The reason we're replacing this thermostat is because it's getting a little bit hot. So we want to do a rebuild on this thermostat, or you could replace it. But essentially, if your housing is still good, you could rebuild it. It is not leaking, it is solid, it is perfect. It comes with everything you need to get this done. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the old O-ring. We'll remove that from there. Using this here, we're going to press this down and with two hands twist it so you can release the spring. And just like that, it comes out. Poop, poop, and poop. That's it. And you install the new ones into there. But before I do that, I'm going to clean up this housing. I'm going to hit it with some degreaser using tri-power degreaser from Chemical Guys. And we'll get this all soaked. We'll scrub it down. And I put a squirt of some orange hand cleaner. Alright, there it is, nice and clean. And OEM part. Can't go wrong with that. So, same process. Put in that there. Put in the spring. Then we'll lock it down. Just like so. We'll get that little cardboard sealer to compress the spring and lock it down into there. Alright, and there it is. Now we'll put in the new O-ring right into place, and we are set. And there we have ourselves a brand new thermostat. Sweet. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video of how to install it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.